Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we can put cosine x to the power of 4 and cosine x. This one, we can put cosine x squared to the power of number 2. Now we have the formula in here. So because we have cosine x squared, that means I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine x dx. So this one we change for u, and we have u square. This one we change for u. Cosine x dx we change for du. And now we need to expand this one. So 1 divided by u to the power of 3, we can put like this. The next one we have number 2 over u. The next one that is about u. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.